Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paramount Plus, watch TV shows and movies step by step clearly. Make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Paramount Plus app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. If you do not have the app, install it from the App Store, Google Play, or your TV's App Store. On a computer, open your web browser and go to ParamountPlus.com. Wait for the home screen to load fully so all buttons appear correctly. Find the Sign In button on the screen, usually in the top right corner on web. Tap or click Sign In to open the login page. Choose your region or provider option if the screen asks you to select one. Enter the email address you used when you created your Paramount Plus account. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a personal device, you can select Keep Me Signed In for easier access later. If you are on a shared device, leave Keep Me Signed In turned off for privacy. Tap or click Continue or Sign In to submit your login details. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address on the reset screen and submit the request. Check your email inbox and open the password reset message from Paramount Plus. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password. Return to the app or website and sign in again using your new password. If you are logging in on a smart TV, open the Paramount Plus app and choose Sign In. Select Sign In with a code if that option appears on your TV screen. On your phone or computer, open the activation website shown on the TV screen. Sign in with your Paramount Plus account on that activation page. Enter the code displayed on your TV and confirm to link the device. Wait a few seconds for the TV app to refresh and complete the login. If you see an error, double-check your email, password, or activation code and try again. If the app is stuck, close it completely and reopen it, then attempt to sign in once more. If problems continue, update the app or restart your device to clear temporary issues. After signing in, choose a profile if prompted, then browse and select a show or movie to play. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.